When customers can compare products clearly, they commit confidently. No tab switching. Just one smart decision. With ShopLentor's Product Compare module, your shoppers can easily compare products side by side in one clean view, making decisions faster and purchases more confident. Getting started is simple. Go to ShopLentor, Settings, Modules. Enable the Compare module. Configure how and where the Compare button shows, on product grids or single pages. Quick product pop-ups for instant comparison. Customize the Compare table, what shows, how it looks, and how many items can be compared. And shareable compare links for friends or teams. Set product limits and display only the fields that matter, like price, specs, or availability. And yes, it's fully mobile responsive, fully customizable layout, headings, and colors. Want to simplify your store's shopping experience and give buyers exactly what they need to choose faster? Activate the Product Compare module with ShopLentor today. Try it free and see the difference. Make every click count.